Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
By using your hands, the heat makes the meat kind of gooey and more likely to fall apart. Once you have your patties prepared, refrigerate them for about 10 to 15 minutes before putting them on the grill or stovetop pan. This helps immensely in keeping the patties together. Be sure to season before you cook.
Take our lead.
Some people who make hamburgers have a tendency to add too much in their patties. They add soy, marinades, liquid seasoning, and even salt long before making the patty. All the extra ingredients either add too much moisture to the patty, which will make it fall apart. Some also use binders like breadcrumbs or eggs.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're making your own hamburger patties, adding egg to hamburger meat can help hold the meat together for easier cooking. Without the proper binder, the burgers may fall apart in the pan or on the grill. 30 December 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.